Ever found yourself deep in a homeopathic book, stumbled upon a golden line, a profound insight, and thought, I must remember this? But days later, it's gone. Lost in the sea of pages. Yeah, we've all been there. As homeopaths, we don't just read. We absorb, reflect, connect ideas, and build understanding over time. But without a simple way to mark what matters, valuable insights fade, and learning becomes fragmented. That's why I'm excited to introduce SmartReader, a powerful new way to read, highlight, and annotate your reference library inside Synergy Viva. Whether you're studying remedies, exploring Materia Medica, cross-referencing mental symptoms from multiple authors, or analyzing a difficult case, SmartReader helps you stay engaged, organized, and focused. With SmartReader, you can highlight any phrase and choose from a palette of colors to categorize your insights. Add notes on the spot, clinical reflections, remedy comparisons, your personal thoughts or observation, a question, and even a cross-reference to another remedy or rubric. Your highlights and notes are automatically saved and editable anytime. And it gets better. All your notes can be securely backed up, ready to be restored or moved when needed. SmartReader isn't just a tool. It's a companion for the serious student, the thinking practitioner, and the lifelong learner. You'll never lose track of your thoughts, even months later. SmartReader brings back that feeling we all remember. Reading a trusted book with a highlighter in hand, marking insights in color, scribbling thoughts in the margin. Only now it's smarter, searchable, and always within reach. SmartReader. Because reading is not just about absorbing, it's about engaging. Only on Synergy Viva.